Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are new here, please subscribe the channel. In today's video I will discuss about the what is variable scope in a Python. So let's start the video. Variable scope refers to the region or area of a program where a variable can be accessed or used. What is a variable? Variable is a nothing but the name of the data. So type of variable scope, there are mainly four types of variable scope. Remember by the leg B. What is leg B? Let's eat good burger. So L for local scope, E for enclosing scope, G for global scope, and B for built-in scope. So let's discuss about the types. First one is a local scope. A local scope variable is a created inside a function and can only be accessed within that function. So this is the important line, within that function. So example, def is a defining function keyword, function name keyword, and this is the student is a what function name, and the name is a variable, and the it is the value of the variable. This is the within that function, that's why it is called a local variable. So print name variable and the student function call, what is the output? Ankita will be the print. Next one, enclosing scope nested function. So an enclosing variable belongs to an outer function and can be accessed by inner function. So first we define the outer function. This is the outer function, and the message is the hello. The function is the inner function, then it nested function, this is the inner function, and the message will be the print, and then call the inner function and then the outer function. What will be the output? Hello will be the print. Third one, global scope. A variable declared outside every function is called a global variable. It can be accessed throughout the program. Example, college is equal to ABC college. So this is the outer function, global function. We declared the outside every function. So which is the function? This is the student function, and the print will be the college, and the student function call, and then the college. What will be the output? ABC college, ABC college. The second one, built-in scope. Python has built-in variables and function that are always available. Example, print function, len function. This is all are the built-in function. There are many built-in function, but मैंने कुछ ही मतलब लिए है इसमें. Print in function, len function, type function, sub function, max function, mean function. There are multiple functions have. So example, numbers is equal to 10, 20, 30. This is the list, and this is the list of item 10, 20, 30. So print the lane, what is the, it is a define the length of the list. So this is the list name, and it is defining list. So 1, 2 and 3, there are three numbers in the list, so output will be the 3. Length of the list is a 3. So that is all about. So let's discuss about the interview questions. The first one is a what is variable scope. Variable scope define where a variable can be accessed in a Python program. सो दिस इज़ अ सिंपल डेफिनेशन. जब इंटरव्यूअर आस्क करेगा व्हाट इज़ वेरिएबल स्कोप, क्या होता है, यू कैन से दैट द वेरिएबल स्कोप डिफाइंस वेयर अ वेरिएबल कैन बी एक्सेस्ड इन अ पाइथन प्रोग्राम. अच्छा है कि मतलब टाइप भी बोलो आप कि देर आर 4 टाइप्स. So next one, how many scopes are there in a Python? There are 4 scopes: local, enclosing, global, built-in. And what is the trick for this? Let's eat good burger. Let's eat good burger. This is the trick. So difference between local and global variable. Local variable declare inside a function, global variable declare outside a function. This is the main difference. So accessible only inside the function, local variable accessible only inside a function, and the accessible throughout the function, global variable is outside throughout the function. Destroy after a function, destroyed after the function execution, and exists until the program ends. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like the button and please subscribe the my channel and support me, guys. If you want notes for this video, I will share these notes into my telegram channel. Please check it and subscribe my telegram channel also. Thank you so much.